in here. If you can share the live to your story. Share the live. Thank you, thank you. I checked it when I got up for the powder. What does it smell like? Lemon, pine, list oil, Roma, OG Comet, lemon Comet. Everything that's in here. If anyone wants to send, let me know. If you want to send for liquid or powder. I wonder where's everyone tonight. I need interaction, y'all. And there's a lot of people in here too. I'm like, my chat is what puts me in a good mood. When my chat is happy, I'm happy. Hey, Danny. Yeah, I checked for the puzzle main piece before I put the powder in. I checked it. Thank you, Jada. I don't know what you want me to teach you, though. Like what kind of stuff? Am I going to the Renaissance Festival? Probably not. Like maybe next year, but thank you. Are you going? It is. It has pine vanillin, lemon vanillin. A different lemon liquid, lemon dish soap, lemon foam. See you later. You're going but not just saying that? No. I think like one time my parents rented the costumes. Now it's time for the can. Thank you so much to everyone listening. is a boat girl. Or a boat cheese. They give really amazing color bombs. Ooh, I don't have any dish soap that's been sent for, love. Thank you. Oh, hey, Heva. I thought you were going to sleep. Thank you for sending loves. Hey, Boca. Thank you so much for sending. If you're not following, hit the follow because you know you're not going to want to miss my next live. And I'm almost to 18K. Help a girl out. Thank you for sending. Thank you, thank you. I'll add that after these powder bombs. Thank you for sending. Thank you for sending love. If anyone wants to add any more powder or liquid, let me know. Yes, Danny. It's always appreciated. Any send. Hey, Nisi. We got 11 cans left to go in. I know, this is the lights were messed up. This is so good. This is amazing thanks to my chat. Hey, Scorpio. I already did the puzzle, so somebody remind me in an hour to start checking again. meant to be here or be squared. Exactly. What liquids do I have left? Hi, Danny. I have two $6 fabs. So to sell out of my fabulosos will be $12. Hi, love. I got 11 cans left to go in. If anyone wants to add, let me know. And then I got four $10 less oils. I got two pine vanillin jugs for $10 each. I got two lemon vanillin jugs for $10 each, and I have one $15 jug of vanillin. You sent for a fab, thank you. How long have I been on? I've been on for an hour already. You know, what? She said, go a little slower. Thank you so much for your heart, Eve. Sprinkle. Okay, so I'm gonna put those two fabs in. Thank you for sending. No, the recycled lime was like blue. I did not like it. I'm like, I do have fabric softener, but I don't want to add that to this. This is so yummy. Who wants the last fab? For all the fabric softener? No, you wouldn't. No, you wouldn't. That's a lot. I have like 30 of them. She's like, okay, well, maybe not all of them. Okay, I got one fab left for $6. If anyone wants to send for the last fab to sell me out. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, Lord. This is so good.